Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany St. Louis and I make beauty related content. In today's video though, I want to talk about my favorite product, which is none other than the Doux. Y'all probably saw a lot of reviews on this already, but let me tell you, this stuff is the absolute best. I'm telling you, like, look at my hair. This is achieved using only this product. For the longest time, I really thought my hair was not capable of achieving a wash and go. I've tried gels, I've tried all type of products, and I just could not get my hair to respond. Like, it would look defined during the process, but once it was dry, it would just turn into this big old poof. And so when I tried this and I saw the results, I was shocked and I was like, okay, I'm never going back. And I seriously have never went back. This stuff, it really works, man. It really works. So if you want to see how I achieve my wash and go, then stay right here. The tools and products that I'm going to use is, of course, our Mousse Def by Doux. And then I have a comb. This is a Tangle Teaser brush and just some clips. So these are just to help me section off my hair. But this is the star of the show. This is the only product that I'll be using today for this wash and go. So let's jump right into it. So first, my hair is washed, freshly washed. It is damp right now. It's not soaking wet, but I do have a spray bottle here. But with the good thing about the mousse is that it's a wet product. So this is gonna wet my hair anyway. So I like to start from the back and make my way up to the front. So I'm just gonna section off a small portion of my hair, clip it, clip the rest back, and we'll start working in these little sections. Like that. So first little section is here, and even this I find is a little too big. So I'm gonna cut that in half and clip it up. And so we'll work with this little section here. So I like to just spray like a pump or two in my hands, like this much, and just apply it to my hair. Make sure it's well saturated with the product, and then I like to just like separate the tangle like so, and then I'll go in with my comb and further detangle. Further detangle and use the tangle teaser if I have to. You want to make sure your hair is well saturated with the mousse. So if I feel like I need more mousse, I'll take another pump. I'll take another pump right here, and I'll go back in, and then I'll just spread my fingers through my hair like so. And you can see that definition already coming there, like bam. And that is basically what we're gonna be doing for for my entire head. Take a small section. So I started spraying each section with water because I noticed that when I applied the mousse to wet hair, it became a lot more foamy as compared to when I applied to the other section, which was damp or almost dried. And so this helped me to use less product, but still gave me defined curls. Alright, so let's talk about why I love this product. Besides only having to use one product, I love the fact that it does not leave my hair feeling very sticky afterwards. I've tried other products before, whether it was a twist out or an attempted wash and go, that left my hair feeling very sticky and I did not like it. But this does not do that for me. Also, it does not flake. I have not experienced any flaking once it's dried, so that is a huge plus for me. Also, we talk about the definition, like what is a wash and go without curls, defined curls. So I love it for that also. And then it's very lightweight, so you get that hold without it being stiff to the point where if you shake your head, your curls is not gonna move. You get that hold but without the stiffness. So that's a couple of stuff that I actually really love about this product. Oh, and I can't leave out the fact that it dries quickly. Like, this is a huge plus for me, because I hate when I gotta sit under a dryer or wait very long if I'm doing a twist out or even a wash and go. Wait long for my hair to be fully dried. Like, by the time you get to the front of your hair, the back is like dried already, so you really don't have to sit under the dryer for very long, or you may not need to sit under the dryer at all. Like, just let it air dry, and you're good to go. So the front of my hair tends to have a more looser curl, and so I like to make sure I get that definition by just going over with my fingers and maybe just twirl it around my fingers like a couple times, and yeah, so that's what you see me doing here. Some people call it shingling, just making sure you get that product in and get those curls defined. So it took me about 30 or 35 minutes to do my entire head. I never really understood why they call this style a wash and go, because it do take some time to define these curls, but hey. Alright, so now I am going to sit underneath the dryer. This is how it looks wet. So now I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer for like 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so my hair is completely dry and this is how it turned out. I did not stretch the roots. This is just a dry normal, like I didn't stretch the roots with my blow dryer or anything. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna let it get volume as the days go by. When I go to sleep, I'm probably gonna put some rubber bands, which is gonna stretch the roots a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. But this is it, yeah. I absolutely love the mousse. I am so glad that I found a product that works for my hair. Turn around so y'all could see. It's super defined. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So if you have not tried this product, you need to go and get it and try it, because it's literally the best. Ha ha. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Love y'all. Peace.